हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज मार्केट ने एक बहुत जबरदस्त यूनी डायरेक्शनल मूव दिया है और कई सारे स्टॉक्स में एक जबरदस्त मूव आया है। तो आज मैंने अपने लिए कुछ कल के लिए स्टॉक्स ढूंढ के रखे हैं एंड दे आर लुकिंग वेरी वेरी गुड टू मी एंड बिसाइड्स दैट अ लॉट ऑफ बाइंग हैज कम इनटू दोस स्टॉक्स। I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, and my sole job is to provide research to you all. I'm hoping that you all make good money along with us. अगर आपने नोटिस किया होगा, मैंने आपको दो स्टॉक्स दिए थे, उनमें से एक था कार ट्रेड. कार ट्रेड has given a beautiful breakout today. So let's go to my channel and see what kind of trades I have given today. Today I have given early morning a trade on Coromandel. I have said that Coromandel looks good above 873. So have a look at Coromandel. I think it's one of the top most gainer today. Look at the beautiful breakout stock has given from 873 to 921, right? Massive move the stock had given early morning. The next stock that had given was Hind Unilever. Hind Unilever, I have given a buy at 2240. It made a high of 2249. But tomorrow I'm expecting it to move further. तो आज की जो मेरी लिस्ट है, लेट मी शेयर इट विद यू ऑल। जो पहला स्टॉक मेरे रडार पे है वो है परसिस्टेंट, राइट? आज की टॉप गेनर से ही मेरे ज्यादातर आज के स्टॉक्स हैं। तो पहला स्टॉक है परसिस्टेंट। परसिस्टेंट हमको कहाँ पे लेना है? अबव 4410, राइट? आज के हाई के ऊपर हम बाय करेंगे एंड हमारा जो फर्स्ट टारगेट होगा वो होगा 4500 का। सेकेंड टारगेट हमारा रहेगा कुछ 4600 का। थर्ड टारगेट हमारा रहेगा 4700 का, then 4800, 4900, like that. 4900 is going to be our final target. This peak is going to be our final target, and you can hold it for end of May, right? We have good 1 month in hand to really enjoy this benefit. So that's my first stock today. Next stock that I have on my radar is Hind Unilever, right? Why Hind Unilever? Today I felt, that the FMCG sector has really, really done well, right? And how the price has been broken today. If you just notice the stance of the stock, right? This was the previous close here. Stock opened with a massive gap up. In fact, so much gap up that it broke the previous all the barriers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 candles barrier it has broken today, right? And it tried to go down after that, but then buyers pushed it up, and that shows me a very promising structure. I'm expecting a good breakout above 2250, right? From 2250, what am I expecting? First target for me will be 2300. After 2300, it's going to be 2330, right? After 2330, we can expect 2350, 2400, and then 2425, right? These are the targets that can be expected in Hind Unilever. It may take a few months, not few months, but few weeks. It can definitely take. And then next stock that looks very good to me is MCX, right? MCX is looking extremely good. The simple reason, right? There's not much except that the buying has come today. It is breaking the trend line, right? Just notice the trend line. It is breaking this trend line, and there's a price rejection from the lower level. So we can definitely expect good amount of buying coming in above 1400, right? From 1400 to 1500 target can easily be expected in couple of days or maybe next week. So that was my third stock. And then one more beautiful stock I have on my radar, which is ACC. And the sole reason for ACC is the kind of closing it has given today. The huge price rejection from the lower level, but there is a barrier in the past, right? This barrier need to be crossed. So where are we going to enter into this stock? Above 2400. Above 2400 we can buy it, and our target is going to be 2500, 2600, and so on and so forth, right? At least this 2585 is definitely I'm looking for. Stop loss kahan pe hoga? So whichever is today's candle, low of that is going to be stop loss. So today's low is going to be the stop loss, which is 2314, right? हम buy कब कर रहे हैं इसको? 2400 पे buy कर रहे हैं. हमारा stop loss कुछ 2350 का stop loss हो सकता है. एंड टारगेट क्या हो सकता है? हमारा पहला टारगेट रहेगा 2500 का, फिर 2600 का हमारा नेक्स्ट टारगेट रहेगा, राइट? तो चार स्टॉक्स मैंने आपको दिए हैं: MCX, परसिस्टेंट, हिंद यूनिलीवर, and ACC, right? These are the 4 stocks that I have given you. I have a lot of cash stocks also on my radar. उनमें से एक मैं आपको दे देती हूँ. That stock is BSC, right? This stock is looking good to me. Again, the simple reason, as I told you, a lot of stocks have broken the trend line today. Simplest way to enter in a stock is when they break the trend line, right? So see here, when they break the trend line, it's an indication that stock is planning to go up. So where do we buy it? We buy it above 872, and the stop loss is going to be 814, or maybe we can accumulate when it goes down to 800 or 814. Our target is going to be 1000 for sure in upcoming days, right? So the 5 stocks you can keep on your radar, and whenever the breakout comes, take the position in small amount. In case it comes down, just keep accumulating it. And that's how you must remember that risk management, trade management, and trading psychology are the most important parts of your trading, right? If you miss any of it, that means you're not doing the risk management, you're not doing the trade management. What I mean by trade management, shifting your stop loss in the upward direction, then you're not managing your trades. And the third point I told you, the trading psychology, entering at the correct time, not when you are under FOMO or you are under greed. None of this should be there. You should actually be very, very calm and composed when you're taking the entry, right? So with this, I'm signing off, your host, Dr. Seema Jain, and hoping to see you anywhere on my Telegram channel, my Twitter handle, my Insta page, or you can follow me on YouTube, right? If you like my video, like my content, please like, share, and subscribe, and share it with others, right? Because that's the support I need from you all. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.